Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a bot in Telegram. Whether you've added a bot to help with tasks or simply for fun, you might want to remove it if it's no longer useful or taking up space. I'll walk you through the steps in an easy-to-follow way so you can get rid of the bot from your chats or groups without any hassle. First, open up the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're in, go to the chat where the bot is located. This could either be a one-on-one chat with the bot or a group chat where the bot has been added. If you are in a one-on-one chat with the bot, you can delete it by first tapping on the chat to open it. Once the chat is open, tap on the bot's name or profile at the top of the screen. This will open the bot's profile. Now you'll see a three-dot icon or an option to manage the bot. Tap on the three dots and then you'll see an option that says Delete Chat or Stop Bot. Select that option. When prompted, confirm that you want to delete the bot and clear the chat history. Once you do that, the bot will be deleted from your chat list. If the bot is part of a group chat, the process is a bit different. Open the group chat where the bot has been added. Tap on the group name at the top of the screen to open the group settings. In the group members list, scroll down until you find the bot that you want to delete. When you find it, tap and hold on to the bot's name. A menu will appear, and from there, you'll see an option to Remove from Group or Kick Bot. Select that option and confirm when asked. This will remove the bot from the group. Once the bot is removed, you won't receive any further messages or notifications from it. Lastly, if you want to delete the bot from your search history, simply from the home page, click on the search icon in the top right corner. Here, you can see your search history. Tap and hold on the bot's username and a window will pop up. Click on Remove to remove the bot from the search history. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to delete a bot in Telegram, whether it's in a private chat or a group chat. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.